I don't blame anyone for the situation they're in. Like, I would say it's not your fault that you have this illness or that you're sick. But it's your responsibility to get better. Like, nobody's going to do it for you. Well, Scott and I, on a good day, talked to the topic of fibromyalgia. We have this lovely group that we try to convince that they should take care of themselves differently. You know, it's an interesting world out there. So this group has grown to 128,000 people over the years. And they keep talking to one another, and they keep trying. We named it your Fibromyalgia Solutions and Support. They focus on the support, and the way they see the support is by allowing one another to complain and dwell on the thing. Like, does anybody here have a hot, burning cheek that just doesn't stop? Or does anybody here... whatever. Has anybody gained a lot of weight on gabapentin? Those kind of questions.
Does anyone have issues with concentration and focus? If so, what seems to help you? Thanks. That was one of yesterday's posts.
Right. And we have had this since 2013, I think. So it's 11 years old. We have been posting their solutions. There are solutions. And we can't seem to break through. I'll say it this way.
Slightly different perspective on that, Martin, in that...
Okay, try it.
Before, and we haven't really posted by this in the group, but before, anything we did was met with resistance, and certainly the idea that you should do something other than what your doctor said was verboten. And now what I see is a lot of people saying things like, I took the vaccine and it made me worse. I didn't have fibromyalgia, then I took the vaccine and I got it. Or I tried yoga and it really has helped. Or I've started cleaning up my life and it's really helped. And so I see a lot of the, poor me, but I see way more than I never saw any. So it's way more than nothing. People that are saying, you can't listen to the doctors. You can't they have big fights over the vaccine in the group right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I've seen that. Some are seeing the connection between the symptoms that have gotten worse.
I think we're slowly moving them in the right direction. Of course, there's a few people that say really mean things that are pro-vax, and they get banned immediately. So we are slowly removing the trolls, if I can put it that way.
But here's what I want to say. I think I don't blame anyone for the situation they're in. Like, I would say it's not your fault that you have this illness or that you're sick. But it's your responsibility to get better. Like, nobody's going to do it for you.
Yeah.
And that thing is still hard to get, because a lot of people are wanting the doctor to make it better. They want to hand it over to a professional, so they hand them back their wholeness, their wholesomeness, their health. And
we should defund the doctors.
We should defund the doctors, yeah. We should defund the pharmaceuticals, and we should definitely cancel all insurance companies, every one of them, health insurance companies.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's the group, those are the three groups that make all the money, and they don't have any benefit. So many people are like, oh, my insurance won't pay for this and won't pay for that. And it's like, well, they don't want to pay. They want the money.